the dark gray on black colorway. Very impressive. Let's see what's on the side. Nothing on the side. I gotta tell you, the box looks very sturdy, very high quality box. It's not like one of those flimsy boxes. And then on the back, just the legalities. In partnership with Nosotros Tequila, product of Mexico, imported by Park Street Imports, Miami, Florida. Bottled by Destiladora del Valle del Tequila, Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico. And then we got here the NOM 1438, so you can look that up on Tequila Matchmaker. Look for information on it. All right, let's do this. And okay, we got our instructions here. And wow, very impressive. Okay, there it is. Take the base out. Let's set this aside for a second. Let's see. It's a mirrored finish, very hefty, and I'm probably messing it up already with my fingerprints. Feels very sturdy, and has a nice Tesla logo over there, if you can see it. Very shiny. And let's see it. Okay, and here it is. Wow, that's pretty cool. I would not handle this while I'm drunk. That's the first thing that comes to mind. I like the color, very nice color. It's like a very deep yellow, like a very golden yellow. Now let's just put it up on the stand. Alright, it is time to see what the fuzz is about. We know it has exterior looks, now let's see what the heart tastes like. Are you guys busy?
No, we're not busy at all.
Do you want to help me taste test something?
Hey, do we want to help him taste test something? Yeah.
I'm gonna need to blindfold you. This is clean, so if you want to just put this over here.
Okay, let's do it. Alright.
Okay, don't move your hands. Oh my god, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Oh, what the hell? Okay.
What the heck? A lot of bubbles. What are you doing over there, you mad scientist?
And just, you know, tell me what you think, what you feel.
It smells good. I mean, it smells like tequila, but it's very subtle, which to me, like when I'm drinking tequila, one of the reasons I don't prefer it is because of how strong the scent is.
Yeah.
So this is very nice and easy so far.
Oh wow. It smells like a little bit like grape juice. A little bit.
First impressions, thoughts?
At first, it was like more like, I feel like smoke.
Yeah.
Or like a mist. and I was like, yo, are you giving me a shot of air right now? Is this a joke? But then it came, the tequila, and it was like smooth though. And I felt like there was like this little like salt.
Well, it's super smooth. A little bit spicy. I think it has probably like a higher sugar content. It's very sweet.
That's really good. I'm remembering every single tequila drink I've ever drinking right now and wishing that this was what was in it. I can't drink tequila straight, but this I can probably like get away with having it on the rocks and be fine.
I taste sunrises. Dude,
Do you like it?
I love it. It's so smooth. I can't believe it's tequila. I think that's what's fucking up my brain, to be honest. It's like, is this tequila? Are you sure this is tequila?
Does it taste sweet? Does it taste like Senor Frogs?
No. This
doesn't taste like Bad Decisions.
No, this tastes like high class tequila. Is it high class? Don't tell me this is like some cheap ass tequila, and I'm just like, dang.
I guess like an oaky flavor, like smoky, like a smoky oak.
Yeah.
Wood flavor.
Just be gentle with it. Just touch it.
What the fuck is this?
Just feel it. Just feel it around.
I don't know what it is. Wait, okay, this is like a holder, and it's like a triangle, but then what the?
Wow, are you serious?
What?
He made tequila.
Oh, the Tesla?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you bought it!
Open your eyes, and that's what you're drinking.
Oh shoot! Dang, you got it!
Oh, fuck yeah.
Holy shit! Dang.
So the glass itself comes out of the base. So if you want to lift it.
So like that?
Yeah.
Oh, holy crap.
That's...
Okay. And then what do I do with this? Do I put it down here in the holder? Good, yeah. And then I do this. And how do I like connect it? Like this? Like, yeah. I'm not trying to build a rocket ship. Is this expensive?
It hurt a little bit.
$250. It tastes like I don't know is exactly $250 good or not, but it's very pleasant to drink.
Here's the thing. We go out to nice places, we go out to nice bars, we dress up. Other times we go to a dive bar with our comfortable clothes, with, you know, either by ourselves or with friends. And what we are getting from that is an experience. So with this, yes, it's a $250 bottle, very expensive. Is the juice, is the tequila inside worth $250? No. But what you are paying for here is an experience. As you saw with the friends that I brought over, you know, it did not fail to impress. And that's the thing, like the quality, the aesthetic shock value of the bottle adds to your drinking experience. And that's it. Cheers.